This video shows how to buy shares of Greenidge Generation Holdings Inc, GRE. Greenidge is an energy and data center company listed on NASDAQ. This is an educational guide, not financial advice. You need a broker to buy shares, and I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually by uploading an ID, and add funds before buying. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker GREE to find and select the NASDAQ listing for Greenidge Generation Holdings Inc. On the stock page, review the basic company profile and the price chart, and confirm the name, NASDAQ exchange, and ticker match GREE. To invest, click the Investor Buy button, enter the amount you want, then carefully review and confirm the order. If the market is closed, the order will wait until it reopens, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will require you to add money before confirming. Your new position will appear in the portfolio. Check the description for the eToro link if you want to follow the same steps.